How to create a portfolio website using Google Sites. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a portfolio website using Google Sites. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Google Sites, you could also use my affiliate link below the description, where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Google Sites, it is a free, user-friendly website building tool provided by Google that allows individuals and organizations to create and share web pages easily without needing coding knowledge, in which it integrates seamlessly with other Google Workspace tools such as Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, and Slides, making it a simple embed content direct to your sites. So basically from here, just simply go to this site.google.com, then you will be directed on this page where it will show you below some of your recent site. But to start creating a new one, you can click the blank site to create from scratch. Or alternatively, if you go back in here, you can click this template gallery on the top of it, where it will show you under the general section all of the template that they offer. We have here for work, event, we have here dog walker, holiday party, for photo portfolio, restaurant, and many more. However, in this page, I'm just going to simply create from scratch. So just click this blank site right here, then you will be directed on this page. And from here, we can start by entering the name of our site on the top left corner in here. For example, I'm just going to enter here a sample name, which is work of art. And after that, below, you could also enter the page title in here. And also, you can start using the right side panel as your element to add in here. But from here, let's start by uploading here the images, where you could also click the select button. In this pop-up window, we have here to choose using Google Images or Google Drive. And by choosing Google Images, you can simply go to the search bar in here and search, for example, banner portfolio. And you should be able to see all of the result of images that you can simply select as your background photo or image in here that will be applied in our website that we are creating. So all you need to do is simply scroll down and choose the right photo for you. For example, in this option, I'm going to choose this one and click Insert button. Then you should be able to see here that your image is being processed. Now it is basically looks like this. We can add a title in here. For example, I'm going to enter here Life Works. Or alternatively, you could also create a background image using this canva.com. All you need to do is simply sign in on Canva in here. And on the left side panel, just go to this template section. Upon signing in, then you should be able to see a variety of template by going to the search bar on the top panel in here. For example, I'm going to search here a banner, since we're trying to create here a banner for our website. Upon entering banner, you should be able to see all of their result, so you can simply click here or choose the free one if you want to. For example, in those options, I'm going to simply select here the right portfolio banner. I'm going to click or choose this one right here. So I'm going to click on it and click customize this template button. Upon doing so, you'll be able to be directed on this Canva, or you can start customizing every images it contains and also the context in here. Instead of this that says hello summer, I'm going to change this into drop of work, for example. And now moving on to the background, we can simply start replacing any of this by going to the element section on the left side panel and choosing or searching for the elements. For example, I'm going to search for images of abstract. Upon going to the photo section, you should be able to see here the photo that you can choose from and drag it directly in here. So as you can see, it is now being changed. We could also do the same process in any other background photo that we prefer. For example, realist, so just simply drag it, for example, in here. This one, now as you can see, it is now being changed. Or if you also want to make it more appealing, you can add more other elements such as a border, a design, and many more. So now as you can see, I've now successfully customized the background in here. The next thing that we need to customize is this context. All you need to do is simply highlight or select this one, and you can add a context or an effects on it. For example, the outline that we could also choose from by clicking this one, or choosing the color palette. Or you could also make it live depending on the kind of effects or style that you prefer. As you can see, this now basically looks like this. We could also make it more bigger by simply dragging it. But not to save the changes, just click the share button on the top right and click the save, and click download button to proceed. You can also choose a different kind of file type. I'm going to choose the PNG, and going back on this Google Sites, from here we can simply do the same process of uploading the images by clicking this image button and click upload, and simply upload from our computer files the data or the design that we just customized using Canva. So you should be able to see her in here. As you can see, the context that we could also delete in here is also visible. We can now proceed by adding more images, or for example the content blocks. I'm going to click this one. We can add here more on art or images for our portfolio. By clicking the select image, we will also go to search on this Google on the pop-up window. So just simply click Google Images and go to the search bar of it. So basically you can do the same process on any other template in here. I'm going to click this one, for example, and click insert to proceed. Upon doing so, you should be able to see the result. So you can basically do the same process on any of these two. Moving on, under the section pages on the right side panel, we can click the plus button right here to create or add a new page, and simply enter the name of the page. For example, in here, I'm going to enter portfolio. Then click done button to proceed. Upon doing so, you should be able to see here that the page is now been done or created. And let's say I'm going to add another blocks in here using the right side panel, for example this one. And from here we can start again uploading or selecting an images from Google or upload from our computer files. So just do the same process of searching on Google Images the kind of image you want to upload in here. And upon searching on it, you should be able to see here the result below, for example, art abstract. Now you should be able to see here a variety of result of images that you can choose from. For example, in those options, I'm going to click this one and click the insert button. And I'm going to do the same process but different kind of artwork. And you could also enter a context below each artwork to name it. Now moving on, to customize the navigation, just click the settings option on the top right corner here. And by clicking on it, you can change the navigation instead of the top. I'm going to make it on the slide, in which when our viewers try to click on it, you could also be able to see here the other navigation bar or option, which is this portfolio with your home and portfolio available. But you could also add more pages depending on your preferences. So basically, using Google Sites portfolio website is important for several reasons, especially for students, professionals, and creatives looking to showcase their work effectively, in which it offers an easy-to-use code-free interface allowing users to create a polished and organized online portfolio. And now to publish this website, just click the publish button on the top right in order to save the changes that we just created. And simply enter the name of your web address and click publish button to proceed. Upon doing so, you should be able to see here that your portfolio website is now being created using Google Sites. And overall, that is just basically how you can create a portfolio website using Google Sites. Thank you.